My hip was really bothering me. I would drive my wife and her brother and his wife to different places. They'd go for a hike. I'd sit in the car and read. There was no way I could go out walking. I did some quick research, made a phone call to Desert Regional. Instead of being in the hospital 4 nights, you're in overnight. There's less pain. The staff at Desert Regional were professional, courteous, attended to my needs. After probably 3 to 4 hours in the recovery room, they had me up walking with a walker. Friday, I started walking around our complex with the walker. Saturday, I decided, well, let's try it without the walker. I've been walking without the walker since. I took the aspirin for 2 days and then I stopped taking the aspirin. You know, why take stuff if you don't need it? I'm not even a month into it and I can't still believe it.